All right, so you want to know how to get rid of gum infection. Very, very simple. Number one is, depending on the severity, go to the dentist. Because that severity is going to dictate what type of treatment you're going to have. If it's just swelling of the gums, maybe a simple gingivitis type of cleaning will actually get rid of it. Number two, if it's a little more severe, you're going to have a little more of an extensive type of cleaning. Just the way it is. The severity actually dictates the cleaning. So you want to correct the issue. But see, the thing is that's not maybe the core issue that causes an infection. The core issue is because of home hygiene habits, as well as the professional care habits. So what you got to do is start brushing twice a day. I suggest the actual power toothbrush. Number two, you got to floss every day. Got to get in between the teeth. And depending on your severity, you want to go to the actual dentist every 3 to 6 months to maintain. So imagine you have $1 million horse that runs the Kentucky Derby, invests all the time and money. Would you actually not want to invest in the maintenance of that horse? I think you would, right? Because it's $1 million that you bought the horse for. Well, here's the deal. You are that $1 million horse. So invest in yourself the time, energy, and effort to make sure you get rid of that gum infection. It's that simple. Just do it.